Alright, y'all see it today with Greenish. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watching recent videos, share my channel. Also, hit the like button, man. Trying to grow the channel. Don't cost you nothing to hit it. Giving y'all all this $1 million worth of game for free 99. Giving y'all a game free. All I ask you to hit the like button. Alright, man. We're gonna go buy some dividends, man. Some weekly payers and everything. And some monthly payers, like always. Got a couple dividend growth stocks too on this list today. Probably about a good 20 stocks on this list. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna start with ARR, Armor Residential REIT. This pays 24 cents a share a month. Can't beat this at these prices. Got down to what, $17.57 today. I brought $5 worth earlier, but I'm about to not recurring limit order. Get 117.57. Excuse me, while I'm online with y'all. Buying more in other portfolios. All right, that's ARR. Y'all write down these other stocks. OXLC, buy limit order, $4.58, pay 9 cents a share a month. Another one can't get in this portfolio. CRF, Cornerstone, pays 12 cents a share a month. Put your buy orders in at $7.30. Got to go to another portfolio for it. All right, the number three, ticker ACP, called Aberdeen, ABERDEEN. $5.88, pays 8 cents a share a month. What else I got on this list that's not on here? All right, those are the three: OXLC, CRF, and ACP. Got that out the way. I'm gonna give y'all okay, that's it. We can go ahead from there. All right, let's go with YMAX. Pays out weekly. Not loading up. I just reinvested dividends. I get about $15 to $23 a week in it. So all I do is just reinvest the dividends. Fractional shares, $2 here. I'm just doing $2 a day because it's down, but it's in the up. It's not at the low, the bottom. I would have did 3 or 5, but just something there. We're gonna do YMAG. Let's check out that. See how that's trading. The options on the Magnificent 7, pays out weekly. All these should be down, definitely be down tomorrow. That's green today, so we're not gonna bother that. That's why it's not on my list. I was just checking. QDTE. That's a Round Hill ETF. Check out that. $3 worth for that. I'm gonna go to RDTE. Well, QDTE. Did we just do QDTE or XDTE? Got both of them. I don't know. I wrote down RDTE. One was just $35.91. Okay, that's QD we did. Need to do XDTE. My bad. XDTE. That should be in like the $40 range. There we go. Alright. Get $2 worth for that. $46.19. It's not at the bottom. There's something to add on to it. I got YMAX. We're going to go with QQQY. $27.03. Definitely got to get this at these prices. Also pays out weekly. ULTY is down $6.33. Trading at 642. Thinking about getting a share every day, but I'm gonna wait, see if this gonna come down some more. But that's not a bad idea. Just buy a share every day at the daily low. Got IWMY. I got to put this on my watch list. Got to come down at these prices here. MSTY. MicroStrategy. I'm adding a little bit at these prices. Not the way I want it, but I don't know if it's going to come down to the $20 mark. This got to do with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is up, this is going to be up. When it's down, it's going to be down. Let's check out GOOY. Options on Google. $12.47. Get that monthly cash flow. RYLD. 16 cents a share a month. 12 to 13% dividend yield. Definitely buy at 16 and under. Let's look at QYLD. I forgot to look at that one. That one didn't show up on my list. Must be greenish today. This will buy at 17 and under. You did get IWMY. I put that in twice. I'm sorry. VTRS. Viatris. Dividend growth stock here, over 5% yield. And you're going to get some growth out of it. Got about a dip on these prices. Got $20 worth. Ran down the average cost. ABR. Arbor Realty Group. I think it paid like a 43 cent a share quarterly. It's got down to 12.03 today. Definitely, matter of fact, let me do this. I got one order. Place that on. I'm gonna go in at Arbor at $11.90, $11.85. $12 is cool though. Let's do $11.90. That's usually where it come touch and go back past that. Got some at $11.67 too. And you can always just dollar cost average at that 12.03, 12.05 and under mark. That's how I play it. MetaFast, like I say, this a play. Y'all can stay out of this one. I'm just coming down on my own. Unless you want to swing trade this is a weight loss stock. You got interest in that, and this would be for you. Good price for you to get in at too. DOY, MDY. AMDY one is down too. The stock AMD is definitely getting beat down also. And I don't have my 100 shares of this yet. That's the only reason I'm going in to get it. We're going to go from there. Go with XYLD. We'll get $5 worth of that. $3, $5 worth, whichever way. Pays out monthly. Got ARR. No, NVDY was down today. $15.89. We'll get $2 worth. Throw something at it. I'm gonna go with RC Ready Capital. Get to share that every day below the $5 mark. I think it was $4.92. Gonna go for HPP, Hudson Pacific. Be another REIT I'm gonna swing trade and get that growth and get out of. I said I'm gonna come down on my REIT sectors. I was going REIT crazy when I first started trading because I like real estate. We're going at 2.82 Hudson Pacific, but had to learn the game. This don't pay a big dividend, more for a little growth with it. Something you'll be looking for, but I take my risk when it comes to dividend stocks. For real estate, I need cash flow. Gonna go 65 cent today. Charge point. 5 shares, 0.65. So I like to pair these with dividend stocks so I can get me a dividend while I'm buying this. With up $3.25 in that, I need to spend at least $6 on the dividend stock. Compare them together to make it make sense to me. Not just how I fool myself with it when I buy stocks that don't pay a dividend because they just for growth. We got OPI, that's an office REIT, 49 cents. Waiting on this to do a reverse stock split. See if they gonna hold on or not. But that's what I'm looking for. Get 10 shares at this price. Knock a hole in that average cost. When it's time to swing trade, it's time to trade, time to sell. CONY, Coney. I'm gonna get my 100 shares of this. 838. A lot of little buys out here, man. SCHG. Got down to 25.59 today. I went and brought some, put a buy order in, but I got this on a recurring investment of $1 a day. I'm at $2 on that one. Then you got SCHD. That's a buy anytime. You can catch that under 28 bucks. Got that on recurring investment also. Another one to give y'all for y'all to buy, not in this portfolio, ticker PFE. Pfizer, ticker DEO, Diageo, that liquor company. And that is everything on the list. Let's go check our traps, make sure we ain't leaving anything. like we got about everything. Gonna get some more ULTY also. I'm gonna let it just, shall I say, stack up. AIYY, I need to get some more of that. YMAX. See what SVOL is today. I'm gonna check out AIYY also. We just got down to the date. 1855. $2 worth. Check out AIYY, which was right here. Another one is cheap. All right, y'all see they got $2 worth for AIYY. They got a dividend yield like 75%. Don't want to load up on it. The dollar cost averaging to it. Get your 100 shares and let it ride. Just reinvest the dividend. These are for income, not growth. All right, man, that's it. Signing off. Stay safe, stay alive. Be careful out there. It's a cold world we in. Go get your money.